The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bibb County and central Georgia, west central Biggs County and central Georgia, northeastern Peach County and central Georgia, northeastern Houston County and central Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jack Brown Estates, or 10 miles southwest of Macon, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jeffersonville, Warner Robins, Centerville, Byron, Robins Air Force Base, Marion, Bullard, Rutland, Fitzpatrick, Ripley, Huber, Scottsdale, Alberta, and Middle Georgia Regional Airport. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. What? Minor flooding is forecast.